When you have done your all, stand. That's all you got to do. Once you done did everything you can do, it's just time for you to stand. It's time for you to stand on what you believe in and just have patience and keep working on your visions, your dreams, your goals, the stuff that you want to accomplish with your life while you're here. You keep working on that. But some of the answers you are looking for, some of the doors you are waiting on to open, you're going to have to stand and just have patience. And man, I'm going to keep it real with you. That standing and having patience is a hard thing to do, you know, because you have to believe and stand on what you believe, no matter what's coming from the right or what's coming from the left. You know what I mean? You have to stand on it, and you have to be able to say, hey, you know what? I believe in this. I done put forth all the energy, the faith, the works, and I'm knowing I just got to stand right now. And you're going to face those times in life where you're going to be trying to overcome an obstacle. And, man, I'm telling you, it's going to seem like everything is coming against you for you not to achieve that goal. But if you keep standing, that door going to open. An opportunity going to open. It's our goal and position to just not to be in the way. You don't want to be in the way when it's time to come and you all in your feelings and you didn't got hateful, you didn't got bitter, you didn't got evil because you had to wait until now you want to act evil towards somebody else. That's not going to give you your blessing, you know. And I know it gets frustrated. I mean, I'm out here. You know, anybody that's trying to do anything independently, there's going to be a struggle because you're trying to do something that is not normal. The normal person just want a regular job. The normal person willing to go through a lot of BS for a paycheck. You know, they cool with the boss talking down to them and talking, you know, that like they children and they grown. But hey, man, I got a job. I got to feed. Man, you know, sometimes I even think like, you know what, this system was set up to straight enslave anyone that clocks in. Because they want you to feel like whatever you got going on in your personal life is not important than what's going on in your job life, at your job, on your job site. A lot of them want that to be your top priority. You know, you got those that want to work you all the way around the clock all the time. And if you ever say, man, something came up, I got to miss this day, I want to use some of my sick time. No. You can't do that. You know how it is, man. They don't like to feel that you getting over on them. They want to get over on you. But you know what? I would say I always like to get when I jump into a relationship like that, or a bond, or a business contract, or a job, whatever. You know, I try to make sure that I know what I want when I'm entering into this situation. Like, I probably already got a time frame on it in my mind. Okay, I'm going to be here 2 weeks, a month. I need to take care of this bill, and I'm going to go to this, you know. You just got to do what you got to do, man, regardless of whatever the situation is, because it's up to you. It's up to you to make your life better. You know, you can't put your hope, your dreams, your wishes, your faith in someone else's hands and say, hey, if I work real hard for him and I do this here and I do that, surely they're going to bump me up and give me a raise. Surely they're going to come and give me a seat at their table so I can eat good with them. Nah, it's not going to work like that, my nigga. It ain't going to work like that. I'm going to tell you what's going to happen. You know what I mean? You're going to end up getting upset because you're going to put forth all this effort and this drive to help pull someone else out the hole. You did hours unreal just so they can lay you off, or just so someone else can come that's close to the family and they can push you over to the side. Or, you know, they'll just, you know, not pay attention to it as if, you know, well, that's your job. You're supposed to do this. You're supposed to did this, you know. So, you know, I would say in this situation, man, it's to each his own when you out here, man. But remember to stand. If you're trying to achieve something and you really want to accomplish what you're trying to accomplish, you're going to have to stand. And it's going to be hard. You're going to have your discouraging moments. You're going to have your doubts. You're going to have your storms. You're going to have that little voice try to tell you, man, forget it. Just throw in the towel. Just forget it. Just join them. You know what I mean? But if it's in you to be independent, to start your business, to do something for yourself, then do it. The pain you're going to face, the trials you're going to face, is just going to make it even stronger. It's just going to confirm that you got to do this, because it's in you. You can't sleep without trying to do all you can to be who you are, because it's in you, So today, I just want to say this to my family out there, to my folks out there that's following me, man. Whatever you're going through, stand. Keep your faith. Keep knocking on the door. Keep working on your dreams. Keep drawing. Stay at the drawing board if you have to. Do whatever you have to do to get over the hump. Because once you get there and you look back and you check that valley out that you had to wait in, it ain't going to seem as long as when you was going through it. Hold on.